The groov RIO has become a very popular device for enabling connectivity at the edge. And today we're going to help you install FlowFuse onto the RIO itself. Hey there, my name is Christopher Sandoval. I'm a developer relations advocate here at FlowFuse. So let's get started installing FlowFuse on the groov RIO. Installing FlowFuse on your groov RIO is easy, but there are some caveats that you need to be aware of in order to do it right. First of all, you need to have your RIO connected and running. When you first set up your RIO, it will go through some boot processes. You need to wait until the lights on the front of the RIO are stable, which indicates that it's ready for installation. To find your device on your network once it's started up, you can use any network appliance or you can use the groov Find application. A link to this application is in the description below. It will show you all devices connected on your network. Navigate to the IP for the device that you're trying to install Device Agent onto to get started. In order to install FlowFuse, you'll need to get shell access. If you have a license already, simply navigate to the license upload page and upload it directly to your RIO. If you don't have a license, you can navigate to the product page for the license and order it for free. You'll get an email with instructions for registering and downloading your license. Once you have your license uploaded, create your user and password for SSH access. This can be anything you want. Just make sure that you make a record of it, as we're going to be working remotely in the shell in the next few steps. Now we can get the installation process proper started. There are two approaches that you can take to installing the device agent. One in which you install to the directory provided by the RIO, and one where you install to the root directory of the device itself. The easiest route for most users is actually going to be installing to root, as this will allow the device agent to fully install any needed dependencies without being limited by install size. First, log in via SSH to your device using the user account at the IP of your device. Next, navigate to flowfuse.com and add your remote instance. Select the Install via npm option, and note the npm install command for the device agent. While you can do this over multiple steps, in the description below there's a command that you can use to trigger this entire process as well as register the device directly to your account. Take this command and add your installation command from flowfuse.com into the provided area. Hit enter and you'll begin installing the device agent. Once the device agent has fully installed, it will then automatically register to your account and appear in the remote instances area. And just like that, FlowFuse is installed and ready to handle all of your applications. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving it a like, comment, or subscribe. And if this piqued your interest in FlowFuse, head on over to flowfuse.com to start your free 14-day trial. This has been Christopher Sandoval. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.